Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Judy Gitao here. It's good to have you back. Good to see you. Thank you for coming back to my channel. And on this week's video, we are doing a smoothie. This is a protein smoothie. I mean, if you don't have time, or if you think that maybe throughout the day you're going to have a busy day, this is a smoothie that will make you full the better part of the day. So you can try it at home. It's a 5 minutes. It will take you 5 minutes or less to make. And what we're going to use bananas. You can use one or two depending with how many servings you want, but if it's just one serving, you can just do with one large banana. We have peanut butter, and we have honey. Yes, and that's it. And milk, sorry. And we have milk. So we're going to blend to put 1 banana, 2 tablespoons ile ya kukula of peanut butter, and 1 or 2 spoons of honey, or depending with your taste buds. You can add or you can do without, by the way, it's still okay. And 1 cup of milk. So let's do this. So I'm going to use this cup to measure my milk. Let me adjust my camera so that you can see what I'm doing. There we go. So I've already sliced my banana. There it is. I've put 1 spoon of peanut butter. This is the second spoon. And it's thick. There you go. And we have honey. This is a very legit honey, by the way. So we put 1. Hi, Mama. And 2. So we have, there we go. Put that away. Alternatively, guys, this is also an option. You can use this whipping cream to instead of honey or anything that can add, anything sweet. So we put our milk. One cup milk. Of course, the milk is boiled. You can do room temperature, but the cold it is, the better. So we have a blender here. Oh my God, don't mind my background. So here we go. And we blend. blend it some more. You can blend for about 5 minutes or so. And there we have our smoothie.
Mama, are you done?
Yes, I'm done.